to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from North Point Light to Wind Point, Wisconsin 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City and 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake and near-shore waters from Wind Point to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.